Welcome to SuiteTrails, your ultimate guide to uncovering the hidden gems of London. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey as we reveal 7 exceptional tours and activities, exposing the city's best-kept secrets. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Perfect for those with a penchant for Harry Potter, this Warner Bros. Studio tour in London provides a unique opportunity to explore the magic of the Harry Potter films, the most successful movie series of all time. Venture behind the scenes to discover a huge array of fantastic sets, costumes, and props. Learn some closely guarded secrets, including facts about the special effects and animatronics that made the Harry Potter films so hugely popular around the world. Step onto the famous cobblestones of Diagon Alley, featuring the shopfronts of Ollivander's Wand Shop, Flourish and Blotts, and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. See iconic props from the films, including Harry's Nimbus 2000 and Hagrid's motorcycle. Rediscover other memorable sets from the film series, including the Gryffindor Common Room, the Boys' Dormitory, Hagrid's Hut, and the Potions Classroom. Visit Platform 9 3/4 and ride the Hogwarts Express. Explore a perfect recreation of the platform and the train itself and relive the magic of Harry's trips to Hogwarts by posing with a luggage trolley right before it disappears through the wall and walking through the train carriage. Learn how the iconic train scenes were filmed and browse through your favorite character's luggage. Top off your Hogwarts Express adventure in a train-themed souvenir shop and load up on goodies inspired by your favorite Potter films. For the first time ever, enter the set of Gringotts Wizarding Bank. Walk through the Wizarding Bank of Gringotts, the Lestrange Vault, a gallery of goblins, and much more. Admire the imposing marble columns and discover the costumes and prosthetics belonging to Bogrid, Griphook, and many other goblin bankers. Then enter the depths of the Lestrange Vault used to store the treasures of Bellatrix Lestrange and surround yourselves with treasure. You'll have approximately 4 hours to enjoy the magic of the Harry Potter studio. Due to heavy traffic at busier times of the year, this may be shorter, however the minimum time spent at the studio will be no less than 4 hours. With the bus journey included, the total duration of the tour is normally 7 to 7.5 hours, subject to traffic and entry times. Magical Mischief, the 20th of January to the 16th of April. Discover how filmmakers created pandemonium when the Weasley twins disrupted the quiet exams. Both Fred and George will be suspended from the ceiling with bags filled with their latest product, Weasley's Wildfire Whizbangs, ready to fill the Great Hall with a burst of color. More of their products will be on display outside their shop, Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes, on Diagon Alley. Number 2. Spend a day exploring the quintessentially British countryside of the Cotswolds, an area known for its green landscapes, charming villages, and honey-colored stone cottages. Enjoy the highlights of the Cotswolds, as well as some of the quieter, less seen areas of the countryside. First, stop in the small town of Burford, one of England's most unchanged medieval towns with many buildings over 500 years old. Visit the historic church, stroll along the attractive High Street, and explore the town. Next, head to Bybury, known as the prettiest village in all of England. Wander along the river and see Arlington Row, a set of weavers' cottages that are now one of the symbols of the Cotswolds. Enjoy free time to explore the enchanting village. Continue on to the picturesque town of Bourton-on-the-Water. Take ample time to stroll by the river and its small bridges, admire the stone cottages, and have some lunch. Cap your tour with a visit to Stow-on-the-Wold, a jumble of inns and antique shops situated around the ancient market square. Stow has been a center of trade in the Cotswolds for centuries and was the location of the last battle of the English Civil War in 1646. It's also the location of England's oldest pub. Afterward, the tour returns to the meeting point. Number 3. Experience the pomp and ceremony with this tour of changing the guard and tickets and a self-guided tour of the stunning Buckingham Palace. Number 4. Climb aboard a sightseeing boat at Westminster Pier and cruise through the heart of London, admiring the many sights along the River Thames along the way. Stop at Embankment Pier, Festival Pier, and Bankside Pier before arriving at Tower Bridge Quay. Catch sights of St. Paul's Cathedral, the Shard, Tate Modern, Globe Theatre, and much more en route. choose a one-way trip to Tower Bridge Quay or opt for a round-trip cruise and return to Westminster. Listen to the live audio commentary from your captain and make use of the state-of-the-art facilities on board the boat. Benefit from regular departures from Westminster Pier every hour, along with ideal viewing opportunities from the open top deck of the modern Sapele and Mercuria vessels or the open deck of the traditional Sarah Kathleen. Each vessel features a bar serving light refreshments to purchase. Number 5. Experience the pomp and ceremony with this tour of changing the guard and tickets and a self-guided tour of the stunning Buckingham Palace. Number 6. Hit the streets of East End London on a Jack the Ripper mystery walking tour. Head back to 1888 with your expert ripperologist guide as you try to solve the still unsolved murders on this immersive experience. Assess photographic evidence and hear true stories about the investigation to suss out the suspects. Investigate the alleged perpetrators and hear about the theories as to who committed some of the most shocking crimes in Britain's history. Learn more about the victims and everyday life in Whitechapel, which was an impoverished neighborhood at the time. Your guide will even share gems about Victorian London, including the cultural context for enduring figures such as Sherlock Holmes. Was Jack the Ripper ever close to being caught? Why did he choose Whitechapel? Where was any evidence discovered? Find all this out and more with your Ripperologist guide. Stops include Brick Lane, Christ Church, Spitalfields Market, Mitre Square, Petticoat Lane, 10 Bells Pub. Number 7. Our knowledgeable guides are seasoned experts on the gruesome history of Jack the Ripper. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.